fascia board replacement here in the city of Thousand Oaks. This piece on the left side we already took down. This one we're going to take down as well and replace. Prime and paint. Alright, just finishing up here. We did all the cleaning, everything is looking sharp. Fascia boards have been replaced. Dry rotted sections. Hey Mark, what's up? And everything is looking terrific. We primed, painted, just finishing the cleanup. Those two major pieces. Okay, fascia board replacement. There we go, it's been replaced, looking wonderful. This is what it looks like. We're just finishing it up. Going with some caulking and painting the entire fascia board. Again, another project by Crown Construction.